Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is October 4th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, it was a very active day here at the Oil Trading Group. It was a good day. You can see at the price ladders at the top of the screen that we had a good day in here today. I am going to, instead of what I normally do, which would be to go through kind of the trades that we got into and why we did it, I'm going to let you watch the pre-market analysis here today. We had a trade right before the open. That was our first trade of the day. We did some pre-market analysis explaining why it is that we were looking to get short on the CL. It'll explain here these drawings that you see here that we had on the chart today. I'll explain those in this pre-market analysis, and then I'll show you the trades that we got into. We were looking to get down into this area as a target on our original short this morning, right around this 93.94. This was the value area low from yesterday's trading action. We actually made it a bit deeper, as you can see here. And we had a couple of trades that were fits and starts, meaning that we only had two trades, but they didn't, right? You can see how the market kind of comes in and rotates around, then pulls back up and comes down and pulls back up again. And that was kind of the way it went here today. But we were able to finally capture a good chunk of ticks here today on the two trades that we took. And so I will let you watch that analysis, and then you're going to go into that first trade that we took, and then shortly thereafter I'll show you the second trade that we took. We did end up adding to a position that didn't quite work out exactly like I had hoped at the time that I hoped it would work out, but then ultimately did get all the way down to that eventual target down there. So again, it was a really good day here. Could have been a little bit better, could have been quite a bit better, but was a good day nonetheless. And so as a result, we've been on a nice 4-day streak here this week, and the market has been cooperating, which is always a good thing. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to let you watch the opening analysis, then I'm going to show you the first trade, then I'm going to roll right into the second trade that we took on the CL today that got us to our 95 ticks. And then hopefully you'll be able to understand exactly why it is we got in, how we used our levels to help us kind of understand what was happening, and you're able to see these trades that got us where we need to get to. So without further ado, here is the pre-market analysis and the OTG trades of the day. All right, so we have an idea here going on the CL that I'm anticipating here developing. You've got yesterday's value area high. Market comes down into this, rally back up, maybe into this previous low at 99, and then look for this breakout down below into maybe all the way down into about 94, somewhere between 94 and so somewhere right here between 94 and this overnight structure signal would be the sell-off targeting area. And the reason that I'm looking at that is, in fact, I'm going to do this right now while we are sitting here. I'm going to go ahead and put 97 short on the chart. I don't usually get in before the market opens, but I'm going to go 97 short, 07. It'll be 08 on the stop. So if you look at this price ladder to the left, you'll see 75.97 with the stop, that blue box with the number 2 up at 08. Okay, so let's talk about why I'm interested in that. I'll try not to block the price ladder here by showing you this, but here's kind of what my thought process is right now. All right, you got a bunch of single prints that up here all the way up to about 76.13, right? And then you had all of these single prints here right into this value area high from yesterday. So my thought process is we pull back into the value area high from yesterday where those single prints, we pull back into this previous low at 79, and then the market sells off because we filled up all of these prints, right? All these single prints. Your expectation level would be that you would come all the way down into the value area low yesterday, which is around 85, 86, 94, 95. That's where the initial balance was, is right around that area. And so I'm hopeful. 12 minutes. I am filled now at 97, and the stop here is 08. And we'll see, right? My stop is at 08. You do have some liquidity now above you around 0.0. I'm in at 97. My stop is 0.8. We're going to be targeting the other side of yesterday's value area low down there. We're going to pick around 95. I'm in at 81. Stop is 91. In at 81 short, stop 91. Target is the value area low down there at 94.